Hello and welcome back to Jacubication. This is a video about objects and classes. A class is a user-defined type that defines the variables this type should have and the functionality the type should have. Objects are instances of the class. Think of it like this. Classes are how, while objects are what. Members, variables belonging to the class. Methods, function belonging to the object that gives the object's functionality. Access qualifiers determine where your members can be accessed. Private can only be accessed within the class. Public can be accessed anywhere. Protected can only be accessed in the file the class definition is in. Pair example. This defines a class with two numbers in a midpoint method that determines the midpoint between two pairs. And you take the midpoint between 4, 1 and 10, 5 and you end up getting 7, 3. Getters and setters. Method designed to access or modify members if they are private. Constructor. Method that has a return type of the class itself and makes it easier to set up an object. Pair refine. Now it has a method get num1 that returns num1 because num1's private. It has a method where you can set num1 and there's a typo in that one. Num1 should be set to num, which is the argument I have in the function. And then the constructor pair n1 n2, you set n1 and n2 to num1 and num2. In the next video, we'll cover composition and inheritance. Ciao.